And Lucas. They're relaxing on the ice.
What?
Lamis pa, lamis. Inang, Lucing. Where are we?
Where are we now?
Sam's Chowder House.
Wow. It's Sam's shop.
Yakan na. Yama. Sam's Chowder House. Among ti clam chowder man? First time clam chowder. Lucas is awake. You okay? Good morning. Look at this Tesla. Oh, that's cool. Valley Forge. That's cool. I've never seen a Tesla like this. Lucas. Lucas. Yeah, whales?
Yes. It's this one.
Oh, Inang and Tatang. Where are you?
We're at the Half Moon Bay.
Papa.
We drive 2 hours just to
Eat.
reach this place.
It's amazing.
To have our dinner.
Dinner. Oh, thank you for financial.
Bakit ako?
Clam chowders. And Lucas. No, french fries. Wow. Sushi.
Dito wala, sisilaw ka na.
How's the food?
Great taste.
Great taste.
The taste is great.
Binalik.
This is my first time to
This
have
different type.
spaghetti with tahong with
Seafood spaghetti.
With tahong, but very expensive.
kurita.
It's $17.
Ala, kagkwenta kami na.
That is only this.
Good.
Yeah. Try new things. Lucas, what are you doing?
This.
Ay, apo.
Hangin niya dito, parang hangin ng bagyo sa Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Shh. Uy. We're gonna go grocery shopping sa ulan. Ingay.
Ano pa yung?
Ulo.
Gusto ko yung mga forma ni Mama. Parang talaga siyang dance.
So, grocery kami. Ayan, naibos na yung grocery namin.
Naibus. Shh. Uy. Naibusan. Lucas, look.
What is that? What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
It's a dog.
No, it's a dragon dog.
Dragon dog. Uy, stop! Uy, nagbablog! Patingin daw sa ano, tingin sa mirror. Oh. Hi.
This is cherry moya. It's like a combination of guyabano and atis. Ito yung cabbage.
This is cabbage. 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 Oh, Ate Matot. Paluto daw ng mani. How much is this? Ayan pa. Yeah.
No baby, no please. 349.
Pound per pound.
349
Per pound.
per pound.
Yeah.
So how much? Anya, how many?
How much per pound? 349 nga. Pinaba. Wah. Singkamas at talong. Sigarilyas at mani. Ah, that's cabbage.
It is a kind of vegetable or fruit.
This la lotus root. I don't know.
And this is okra. Do you know? How
Okra?
much is this?
You mean okra? Haan, chili data. Korean.
Sili pala.
Chili. What's okra? Yeah, there it is. Okra.
399.
3.99. Ay, amoy subli ama.
Saan? Hindi.
Ano? Han. Binaba ni mama. Bilin.
What the? Anong klaseng prutas?
Ano to? Shingo pear. Pear. Anong pear sa Tagalog? Hello. Oh, is that? Wait. Filipino. Filipino.
Tarong.
No, it's tomato.
Tarong.
No, it's tomato.
This is paria.
No, it's tomato.
Lahat kamatis ah. Galing. Liit naman.
Cute.
Cute.
Pero cute din ang bahay. Cute din kaya ang bahay.
Ay, yun ang problema. Ay, ito. Oppo. 149 per pound.
149 is it?
Hmm. Yan yung gamit sa mga ano, egg roll. Spring roll sauce. Meron dun pa yung mga Pilipino ano. Tayo sa Delata. Yan. Ito yung century tuna.
$2.99 na kasi ito $9. Ay, 99 cents.
$1, 50 pesos.
Ito nga namin madigilan. Mamisan lang kasi daan dito. Mami, sila kagado tayo. Ano?
Ay, ang kahit mag-share ni Ma.
Hindi, marami na yan.
Okay.
Ay anak, it's salt and vinegar flavor. It's ano?
This, Mama. This.
Noodles, udon. Ay, udon ba? Yeah, udon.
Gulay.
Yeah. Yun. Import. Import.
Nice.
Dates? Parang. Let me see, let me see.
This honey.
Cheese corn. It's Filipino. Ano yan?
I love this one. It's my go-to snack at work. It's pocketable.
Pocketable?
Just
Portable?
put in your pocket.
It's pocketable.
Wherever.
The one and only Lucas. The one and only Skyflake. Oh, just kidding.
Ang dami na.
Goodbye. Jema?
Yeah, ang gala kita.
Durian.
Yan.
Oh, oh, uy, 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 Filipino, Filipino. Ano yan?
Dapat bagoong dyan.
Show, pow. Wow! Lucas.
What is that?
Ano yan? Oyster sauce, mamacita.
Asan na yung kinuha mo kanina?
Diyan. Tatong. Di, parang Pilipinas lang. Parang sa Pilipinas lang tayo.
Oo nga eh. Sarap linamnam.
Sarap.
Do.
Yung adobo ni Papa.
Pork.
Para bilakdakan.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Ano yan?
Dito ni rice. Luto dito. Air fry.
Air fryer? Amo dito. Han, MSG. Yeah, Ajinomoto. Pangluto. Ano yan? Octopus? Frozen octopus. Ayan, octopus. Pati sa Amerika may
Mayroong
doble buenas pack.
549.
549. Magkano yun?
Magkano yun, bye? Hindi ko nakita. Kasi pag dito, nagpupunta ka, hindi ka makakabili talaga.
They're relaxing on the ice.
Why never watching their eyes?
They're sleeping. Because it's cold.
Why is it cold? Oh, cold power. Open the ear.
Ah, galing pag ni Pastor Melchor. Magaling. Thumbs up.
Ang masasabi ko, pagka pupunta kami sa grocery, hindi ako makakabili dahil lagi yung presyo ang tinitingnan ko. Kaya,
Kino-convert sa peso. You always converted to peso, that's why.